Hey everyone, welcome! Today we're uncovering the wildest, grossest, and most mind-blowing secrets your own body is hiding from you. These facts are equal parts disgusting and fascinating. If you're eating, maybe pause this video. First up, your belly button. That little hole you probably haven't thought about since childhood is actually a hidden rainforest.
Scientists found over 2,300 different species of bacteria, fungi, and even ancient microbes. Some people actually grow mold in there, like real blue cheese mold. It's dark, warm, moist, and full of lint, the perfect bacteria party spot. Next time you clean it, you're disturbing an entire ecosystem. The myth that you swallow 8 spiders a year is fake, but the truth is worse. Every night you breathe in and swallow hundreds of dust mites and tiny bugs.
A single gram of house dust can contain up to 1,000 dust mites. They live in your bed, eat your dead skin, and poop while you sleep. Your tongue print is completely unique, just like a fingerprint. No two people share the same pattern. It's made of 8 different muscles and never gets tired. That's why you can talk for hours or eat endless spicy food. Your jaw muscle can bite with over 200 kilograms of force. But wait until you hear about your second brain. You literally have a second brain in your gut, the enteric nervous system with over 500 million neurons. It produces 90% of your serotonin. That gut feeling or butterflies in your stomach, that's your second brain talking.
Earwax is a biological superhero. It's antibacterial, traps dust, and protects your eardrums.
Stop jamming cotton buds in your ears. You're usually just pushing wax deeper and causing infections.
Wet or dry earwax is genetic and linked to body odor. East Asians usually have dry earwax and less smell.
Every single minute you shed 30 to 40,000 dead skin cells. In 1 year, that's almost 4 kilograms. Most of the dust in your house is literally you. Scientists can match the DNA in household dust to the people living there.
Bonus fact, tiny Demodex mites live on your eyelashes and face right now. Most people have them.
They come out at night to eat dead skin and oil. They even mate on your face while you sleep. Final big one. While the jaw is strong, the real champion is the uterus during childbirth. Its contractions generate incredible pressure, strong enough to push a baby out, sometimes even breaking the mom's tailbone.
Your body is way weirder and more incredible than you ever imagined.
Which fact shocked you the most? Drop the number in the comments. Want part 2? Let me know.
Smash that like button if your mind is blown, subscribe for more wild science, and I'll see you in the next video.
Take care of that weird, wonderful body of yours. See you soon.